First mistake I made was thinking it's okay to be overweight. I thought my extra weight was just a vanity issue. I would diet really hard and lose 10 pounds before I had to go to a wedding or on vacation, but I was still obese. And the second I got back, boing, back it comes. I think I was actually delusional. I got in my head that I only needed to lose 10 pounds even though I was 200 pounds. Because when I was young and fit, I never had to lose more than 10 pounds. What I didn't know and what I learned after thousands of hours of deep research was that having extra fat in my body was 100% a health emergency. One of the first things I noticed was that every single one of the top longevity scientists all agreed on one thing. There's no longevity if you're overweight. I heard them all say. The first thing I did was get to my high school weight.
Yeah, why would being fat make people age faster?
Yeah, that's a question that is so obvious, but so few people ask it. That's what makes you a good scientist. And so that we don't know, but I'll give you my best answer, which is that obesity comes along with a lot of problems that include a lot of senescent cells in fat. If you stain old fat for senescent cells, it lights up. Mm-hmm. And when you kill off those cells, at least in mice and maybe in humans, it looks like the fat is less toxic to the body, because those senescent cells in their fat are secreting these inflammatory molecules that will accelerate aging, as we now know.
People who are overweight have, in general, an older epigenetic age than those who stay at a BMI between, say, 21 and 24. So that's a fact. So if you want to age slower, maintain your BMI in what's considered a healthy range.
So that explains why when I started my journey, all my biological age tests told me I was older than my birthday age. Now I'm 16 years younger on the same tests. So after I hired my research team, we went deeper into the science and learned that being overweight accelerates cellular aging because excess fat was creating an oxidative stress and inflammation everywhere in my body. I had been worried about my memory, so I was surprised to learn that my midlife obesity was attributing to 33% of a higher risk of dementia, and I literally couldn't see the most dangerous part. As I got older, I gained more and more deep fat storage. This is called visceral fat. This is the fat you can't see, and that's all wrapped around my internal organs, including inside my liver, which you probably know as fatty liver. This evil fat was killing my longevity, aka killing me. Evil visceral fat is so bad for you that if you get lipo and suck out all the outside fat that's on your skin and hanging on your body, you're still not getting the longevity benefits of fat loss because the visceral fat still lurks below. So a great way to know if you're at a healthy weight is to get a DEXA scan and check out how much visceral fat you have. That's what I did. And I was shocked to find I have almost 2 pounds of visceral fat living in my organs rent-free. Learning the longevity effects of being overweight was what I needed to give me a kick in the pants and take my weight loss seriously, because literally my life depended on it.